Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing tips for resetting the maintenance data on this 2014 Toyota Corolla. Now let's get started. Okay, now that we're in the vehicle is off. I'm going to turn the vehicle to position 2. Now you can see the condition lights and see the maintenance required is showing right there. Okay, stick the key in the ignition, press and hold the display button located right here. Now turn your key to position number 1. Turn your key to position number 2. Maintenance reset has been completed. I hope you found my tips to be helpful. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, drive defensively.